In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a single contact in Kit. Kit, which you may know by its former name ConvertKit, is an email marketing platform, and from time to time, you might need to permanently remove a specific subscriber from your list. Maybe someone requested to be deleted, maybe you added a test contact, or perhaps you're just cleaning up your subscribers. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through exactly how to do this using the latest Kit interface. First, log into your Kit account and look at the main navigation menu. At the top, you'll see a tab labeled Grow. Hover over or click on Grow, and from the drop-down that appears, select Subscribers. This is where all of the people on your email list are managed, and it's the starting point for removing a single contact. Once you're on the Subscribers page, look for the search bar, usually located near the top of the screen. This search bar lets you quickly find a specific subscriber without scrolling through your entire list. Type in either the person's name or their email address. As you type, Kit will filter the results, making it easier to identify the exact contact you're looking for. When you see the right subscriber in the results, click directly on their name. This will open up their individual profile page, where you can see details such as their email address, tags, forms they joined through, and any other relevant information. Take a moment here to double-check that you've opened the correct contact, because deleting a subscriber is a permanent action and can't be undone. Next, scroll down on this profile page. As you move down, you'll eventually see an option labeled Delete Subscriber. This is the control you'll use to remove this contact from your account. Before you click it, make sure you really want this person fully removed, including from any automations or sequences they may be in. When you're ready, click Delete Subscriber. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm your choice. This confirmation step is there to prevent accidental deletions. Read the message carefully, and if you're absolutely sure you want to proceed, confirm the deletion in the pop-up. Once you confirm, Kit will permanently remove that subscriber from your list. They'll no longer receive your emails, and you won't see them in your subscribers section anymore. And that's all there is to it. Navigate to Grow, go to Subscribers, search for the contact, open their profile, scroll down, select Delete Subscriber, and confirm in the pop-up window.